In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw from Binance to bank account. We'll walk through the process on the Binance mobile app using P2P trading, which lets you convert your crypto to cash and receive it via bank transfer. Before you start, make sure you're signed in, your identity verification is completed, and you have the funds available in your wallet. Also, ensure your preferred bank transfer method is already added to your account so it's available to select. Begin by opening the Binance app on your phone. From the home screen, head to the Assets area, which you'll find at the bottom right. This is where you can view all of your balances and access different wallet sections. Inside Assets, go to the Funding section and tap Send. This will bring up transfer options designed for moving funds and accessing person-to-person conversions. From here, choose P2P trading. P2P stands for peer-to-peer, meaning you'll sell your crypto directly to verified buyers while Binance provides an escrow layer to help keep the transaction secure. Now select the coin you want to sell. Many users choose a stablecoin like USDT for smoother pricing, but pick whichever asset you're holding in your funding wallet. Double check your available balance so you know how much you can actually sell. Enter the amount you want to convert to cash. Keep an eye on any minimum trade sizes and the displayed exchange rate so you understand exactly how much local currency you'll receive. If you're planning to move a large amount, consider market liquidity and daily limits. When prompted, select your payment method. This is where you choose how you want to receive the money. Pick the option that matches your bank setup. If your bank details are already saved and verified in your account, they'll be available to choose here, which helps avoid delays. Next, select Bank or choose Bank Transfer and confirm. This filters offers to show buyers who pay via bank transfers, which is what you want for a direct deposit to your account. You'll see matching buyers and offers. Review their completion rate, user rating, available limits, and the quoted price. Choose the offer that fits your amount and timing, then proceed to sell. Before confirming, carefully review all details: coin, amount, and payment method. Once you submit, Binance will guide you through the on-screen steps to complete the sale with escrow in place. That's it. You've initiated a P2P sale to withdraw funds to your bank account. Always verify transaction details, keep communication within the app, and follow Binance's safety prompts for a smooth cash-out experience.